You can probably remember a situation that have 3 items, 3 words, or 3 numbers, better than 4. And this is because the human brain is better remembering patterns. Now, when it comes to productivity, the rule of 3 can help you, but the question is how? So first of all, we need to know what is the rule of 3. The rule of 3 is a writing principle that suggests that a trio of events, words, phrases, or characters is more humorous, satisfying, and effective than other numbers. Secondly, why? Well, 2 is very limiting, and not just human brains use patterns as recognition skills. Nowadays, we also have the algorithms, right? They recognize patterns to do the search more enjoyable for us in our social media. That's why 3 is the magic number in humans' perception, especially visually. This is used more than what you can imagine. I was impressed when I looked for the information, but I'm going to give you some examples that you probably heard before, but just for you to associate it. So my first example and most common is the emoji of the 3 monkeys. The second will be the movie of the 3 chimpanzees. Then we have the 3 musketeers, the 3 blind mice. We also have tic-tac-toe, ready, set, go, ABC, or 1, 2, 3. And even us, we use the rule of 3 by saying like, comment, and subscribe. Now that you know what is the rule of 3, why the rule of 3, let's talk about how. How can I use this with my productivity or my daily goals or my daily to-do list? Well, before, my personal experience with this is that I was doing a long list, a long to-do list of maybe 5 or 9 things to do. However, I realized that if I do 3 on my list every single day, this 3 things cannot be tasks. So if I have to clean the bathroom, for example, but I actually have to clean the house, I will not add in my list clean the bathroom. I will add instead clean the house, because I know that to clean the house I need several steps or certain tasks, and I'm gonna explain that to you.
All right, so I'm very visual, so this is kind of fun for me. So if we have our 3 important things to do in the bottom, this area, you can create, let me put it like this, like a sticky note. We can create a brain dump. And this is very useful. For example, if you need to pay the water bill, you need to pay the phone bill, and you need to pay your credit card, etc. These 3 are basically pay bills. Okay? So for example, if the phone bill went up and you know that when you pay your bills, you're not going to, let's say, remember the amount, you can use this area to say, phone, and it went up to $100. Or you can also use it, let's say if you need to call some company or do something else, you can use this area, which works like a sticky note for that. Second option is if I'm going to groceries, to get the groceries, I can add, potatoes. I can add bread. I can add juice, and etc. So I think this is a good way to start with this method. It's short, it's not overwhelming. So I hope this visual explanation helped you to understand the rule of 3. So let's go back to the video.
I absolutely love that idea because we can prioritize what is more important and also give the time needed to the rest of the tasks. In our reality, we need something to love, something to do, and something to hope for. So I'm gonna leave this video like this, and this is all I have for today. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. So see you on the next video. Ciao.